party. Yeah, I invite them to come and watch the video. And then people ask who that is. Say, wow, it's my teacher. Yeah, my meditation teacher. Finished. Very easy, right? Also teach some meditation technique, and it helps my life. And it's very easy, and anybody can learn. Even children can learn things like that. And then when they're interested, they ask for more. Yeah, and you say, would give peace to your life and more loving kindness, or more wisdom, more intelligence, and more efficiency in your work, things like that. Very easy. And then once they ask for more, you give them more books and texts. So why don't you come again, and whatever you want to, you ask me, and then okay, if they're ready, you just report to us, and then we send somebody to give initiation. Very easy. I have tried my best, and then I have given a lot of lectures in America, but not many contacts. So I don't know. So let them go to India, let them come to Malaya, and appreciate it more. Huh? I think I cooked and give it to them, they don't eat. What do you want me to do? Sell myself on the street? No. I don't want to. Yeah, it's very difficult now. You see, I can only try so hard. Huh? Otherwise, people, they also have to walk. Yeah? I cannot earn all the merit for them. And then they have nothing. Like this, even if I give them, they cannot digest as well. The people who want it, doesn't matter what price they pay. People who don't want it, even if you do many things, it's difficult. But you know what? I don't care if I have too many Westerners either. If I have, I have. Look, the Hare Krishna and they have a lot of Westerners, but so what? The ones who come to me, like you, are high level people. And I'm proud to have such a few, even. You know what I mean? You know what you get, and you appreciate what you keep. See? I think that's better. I don't really worry I don't have a lot of Westerners. I'm not the uncompassionate one that bar people from that. I've tried my best. I've made a lot of lectures around, more than other gurus ever made. And I bought many centers out of my own pocket. I asked nothing, and still they don't come. Not that before I didn't have any center. Okay, we had no place, we had no home. The center is so beautiful. Everything is prepared for them. Food's cooked for them, and all the Vietnamese and Chinese are more hospitable than any restaurant in the whole world. Don't say anything more. Really. I think they love to cook for the Westerners. Any Westerner who comes, they treat like king and queen. They do. I know it. So they appreciate it very much. Yeah? I would like very much that the Westerner people come. That's why I came to the West. I didn't come there intentionally to catch the Vietnamese at all. In the first lecture, we didn't advertise in the Vietnamese. They found out themselves when they came. I advertised all in English. I talked to the American people only.
I remember how surprised you were that the Vietnamese were coming to you.
Yes.
You didn't expect that at all.
No, because we didn't advertise on the newspaper. I didn't even know where they lived at that time. I know some of them in America, but I didn't know. I didn't really know anything. At that time, I was not involved in the world as much as I am now. I was more involved, like refugee issues. I don't know any of the Asian people except some of the Chinese here. So I didn't intend. But you see, as God wanted, all the Asians came, and some of Americans come, and then they left. Yes.
But when you came to Berlin, there was a lot of Westerners.
Yes.
And there were
good
I think
response.
100 or 200 initiated.
Yes.
But then when they saw what they had to do, or when they had to sit 2.5 hours and drink alcohol, then they, oh no, that's not good for me.
Yes.
So, and it's what our contact person said to me as well. It's like that the Westerners, they expect a lot, and they come, they think it's good,
But they don't want to work.
they don't want to exactly. They want it for free and so what?
Is it too tight? You may sit down at the chair.
I didn't want to do anything.
No, I saw that they are too very tight here. And relax, put your leg, come over. Oh, my kitchen. No, yours, just stretch it out. Go further so the behind people can stretch it out. Oh, I understand the Western. The serious one, they can do it. Otherwise, they don't feel willing to sacrifice anything for anything.
It's true when you say when they're ready they will come. You can't make it.
Yes. You see? Yes, right. Or let them go and chant their way, to somewhere. Well, that's their level, okay? Let them chant this life. Maybe next life they come and have serious business, because they know nothing happens. For example, like I could be like that. I'm a Buddhist monk here, and all the Buddhists will belong to me. If I follow the tradition every day, then I have lots of disciples. I will have no time for you then. You know, I'll be busy burying myself in ceremonies and rituals and what time doing what every day, you know, and then the ceremony of funny Bodhisattva and then birthday and death day and then what? A lot of Buddha's birthdays all year round. I'll be busy myself chanting all that, and then you be busy stand around and listening. You know, no time for questions. No time for true inner reflecting and how to say inquiring. See what I mean? Okay, if I want to have a lot of disciples, easy also. You see why they all flock to the Tibetan Buddhism also? Because also chanting, anything you want to do, it's fine. You chant okay, you don't chant okay. And if you learn by heart a few chants, wow, you feel proud. So then you can chant in Tibetan, everybody chants together. Wow, it looks powerful. It looks powerful and easy. And look like you really practice something. So, how can I attract this kind of crowd?
He said something about you come to us so that we come to you. There's that saying, when the student is ready, the master appears.
Yeah,
So I don't think you need to advertise and attract people if they're going to be attracted to you. People do funny little things and they find their master by really complicated ways.
Yes.
And
Also now,
they will.
Also now we have printed a lot of English, I would say sample booklets. And people just distribute whoever wants to take. So if they read that and even then they don't understand and don't be attracted, then just too bad. I can't just be anywhere.
It's not a matter of number or even face or race or culture or anything, but it's the people that are really knowing that you might have just spoken to or something, that they have the chance to be in your presence and get your blessing. Because a lot of them get it through us. The love and enthusiasm that we have, they feed off that. The new disciples that maybe haven't seen you for because you have a chance to travel, they hear all that we've experienced and all that we've learned and you know all this incredible thing that we've gone through, and a lot of they get a lot through that. But if we leave, then they don't have that push. Because how they get into that meditation.
So why do you leave?
Well, because I have to be, you know, I need to recharge here too, or. But you know, so that's the.
No, you come back and again and again.
As long as one person stays and can help that.
Okay, look here. Your presence in the West is also needed. You just stay where you are.
Come here once in a while, we try.
Yeah. Nice. So, okay. I thought when messengers go over there, you were always around and doing the explaining and helping us. That's just automatic. You are a co-host anyhow. So why? No, you cannot be. Okay. You mean I should appoint and say so? Okay. You can do that. No problem.
We will work together.
Sure, but I didn't even know that you're present at any place or where you are.
As much, anytime there's something, we try to do that.
Okay, why not? Okay, next time if there's an initiation, then you stand by. Okay, I will tell them. All right. What is the name for this? Coconut. Okay.
It doesn't need a name in English, just in Chinese.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so next time if I send somebody on the initiation, I tell them to find you or what? Do they know where you are?
Yes.
On the book? Magazine?
Yeah, we contacted New York.
What's his name?
So I never used my name.
Okay.
And
Never
she's not there now.
Yeah,
She's
so,
in Guatemala.
oh no, somebody else. You see, okay, then you
But
can
everybody knows how to get
be, you
me.
can be a contact person in New York. You never volunteered to do anything, huh?
You know the contact in New York?
He's not.
I would do the work, but I mean,
That's what
because I
he-
never knew if I would be there.
Yes,
more
also
than
how
2 months.
who would be there, you would be there.
No, you never know.
How nice.
But
How nice.
it was arranged very well because she was always there and
Yeah.
her name was there and
Yeah.
the calls would come. And I'm there, so I.
Then you come whenever you come, right? Oh, that's beautiful. Very reliable. You ask for a person and you introduce a ghost.
Master, the people that you have initiated and they sort of don't do the meditation, what happens to them in the long run? Are they still liberated?
Oh,
people who are initiated but then fall off that don't do the
Or they have
practice?
to come back again and do
Okay.
their business, do the homework. They chose it. Okay? Unless in the last moment or during their course of life, they were so bitten by retribution and all kinds of, karma that comes to them that they turn their mind, and pray to the inner master for help, and then return to the spirituality. On the last moment in their life, they truly 100%, one-pointed, sincere, they want to liberate themselves. Then the master comes and takes it. Otherwise, such people who fail, are normally tempted by society, and go back to the old habits. You see what I mean? And incur even heavier karma than before. And they don't even think of the master or any prayer or thing like that. See what I mean? So if you don't ask, it's very difficult to help. Especially if you want to sink yourself in the ocean of suffering. Then it's your free will. You know what I mean? The master has a duty to take the people to liberation, but the people have free will also. That must never be interfered with. Even God doesn't interfere with people's free will. And that is the free will that causes a lot of trouble. So if we don't control our free will, we get into a mess all the time. And master just stand by. Yeah, because free will is the most privileged. It's the most honored gift that humans get. And no one should interfere with that. We can reason, we can say, look here, you come back, huh? It's better for you. But if he chose to fall, then it must let be. You know what I mean? And I can come back 1 time, 2 times, until he's fed up, until he truly wants to go home again. Then another master will come. The same power, different God. And then he will be rescued. Don't worry about that. Those persons are never lost touch with, never truly lost to the master. They always keep an eye on him. Yes. But just let them roam around for a while. Yes. If they truly cannot make it, then why force them? Yeah? Because master know anyhow. Wherever they run, where can they run to? The whole universe. The master take care. Yeah? So they cannot run away. Like a dog, sometimes he runs away from the tail, but the leash very long. So he runs around and he feels free. Yeah? And then everyone very fast, alright?
Last night I shared a house with a fellow practitioner of the same length of time initiation 2.5 years ago. A couple of months ago he started eating meat. It's difficult, even when I look, it does bother him, but what I ask is, how is it that after that length of time that he's chosen, after 2 years, 2.5 years of practice, how has he come about? I mean, the basis of, it seems, of this method, that the compassion is not enough for everything.
He has another master or what? The same?
No, he's a very gentle man, very sincere, but his parents are over from China at the moment, and they seem to have a great influence on
Go back in 8 weeks.
Yeah, but our fellow practitioners. Some people fail after 2 days. So after 2 years, it's a long time. Yeah. Maybe he struggled for all these 2 years. Maybe he never really wanted initiation or vision. But he tried. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then he thinks he can make it, but he cannot. So it's alright.
He misses with meditation.
He has to relearn again. Maybe he will come back again, you never know. Some people do that.